These are the packages from Karma Science and Company. They came in 2 priority boxes. Now we'll open them up. Colored paper. Oh, a cool sack. A paper that says pop-up cards with a reusable tote and a ribbon closure. And these are my pop-up cards.
Yay.
Okay, let me open them. Very cool.
It's pretty funny.
From the Museum of Modern Art.